Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest update. Hi friends, today I will show you how to create a Gmail account. So let's get started. First of all, go to browser. I use Google Chrome. I am in Google Chrome. Okay, and search google.com. Search create a Gmail account. Second option, click on second option. Enter your first name, your last name, and your username. With numbers and password. Again confirm password. And then next. This username is taken and I change this username. And next. Okay. 074 and then next. Next, enter your phone number. Enter your recovery email address. This is optional. And your age. Select your gender. I am male. I select male. And then next. Verify your phone number. Message Google send a message in your mobile number. My Google code is 393951 and then verify. Yes, I am in and select I agree. And please wait for few seconds. So now I am create a Gmail account.